available experts, please report to room A9.
Hello guys, Exo here, and welcome to Mega Man Boss Rush. The other module will look like we'll have the 8 Robot Masters surrounding Mega Man in the middle. And our job is to, starting from a specific start point, we're going to have to make a sequence where each consecutive Robot Master is weak to the one before it. And then once we've got through all of the Robot Masters, one of Dr. Wily or Mr. X will appear, which will be a sort of a submit condition. So anyway, let's first calculate our first boss. Calculate the number of batteries plus the number of ports on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And then multiply this by a large digit of the serial number. 3 times 6 plus 1. And then add 1 to the number there. Number times 8 subtract 8. Okay, modulo 8. We get 3. We're going to count to the third Robot Master, ignoring Mega Man in the middle. So the third one is Shadow Man up here. So that's going to be where we're going to start. And going from here, we're going to find a sequence using each one only once to get through all of them. So who's weak to Shadow Man? Magnet Man, Gemini Man, Needle Man, Snake Man, and Spark Man. Needle Man is a useful one to keep till the end, because I'm quickly thinking they're the only one that's weak to Gemini Man. So let's try and keep him there as long as possible. So let's first try go with Magnet Man next. People who weak to Magnet Man, a Hard Man, and Gemini Man. So let's go for Hard Man. With the Hard Man, a Top Man, Spark Man, Snake Man, Gemini Man, and Shadow Man. Of course, we've already used Shadow Man, Magnet Man, and Hard Man. So let's go with Top Man next. With Top Man, we have Gemini Man again, Snake Man, and Shadow Man. Let's go for Snake Man next. Then the only part after that would be to Gemini Man, the Snake, Gemini, and as I mentioned, the only part after that is Needle Man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we're Needle Man, and thankfully Spark Man is weak to Needle Man, so we have our sequence. So we're going to go Shadow Man, Magnet Man, Hard Man, Top Man, Snake Man, Gemini Man, Needle Man, Spark Man. And Mr. X is appeared in the middle. Mr. X is weak to everything and must be pressed when the second timer is odd. So 59. So yeah, it's our module. So that didn't take me as long as I thought it would, so I'm going to do another example.
All available experts, please report to room A9.
As you might have seen at the start of the recording, I had a sequence for Hard Man. So if we get Hard Man here, I should have some idea of what I'm doing. So let's calculate our first boss again. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 again, but it's 3 times 4 plus 1, which is 13, mod 8 is 5. So we're going to be starting off with Top Man. People who are weak to Top Man are Gemini Man, Snake Man, and Shadow Man. So let's go for. We want to try and avoid Gemini Man because that will force our hand to Needle Man, so we want that near the end. So let's go for Shadow Man. So going from Shadow Man, we can go to Gemini Man, Needle Man, Snake Man, or Spark Man. Let's go for Snake Man. Actually, let's go Spark Man first. Weak Spark Man is just Magnet Man. So again, that's another one that forces what we have to do next. Weak to Magnet Man is Hard Man, Gemini Man. We haven't used Hard Man yet. Weak to Hard Man.
Emergency
And you can see we've.
personnel, please return to stations.
We haven't actually. We can go to Snake Man. Snake Man. Let's quickly mark off who we've already used to see if what kind of guys possible. So yeah, this should work because we can go Gemini and then Needle, and then we've used all of them, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, we're starting on Top Man, hopefully. There we go. And then continue on. We're going to go Shadow, Spark, Magnet Hard, Snake, Gemini, Needle. And we get Mr. X again. Dr. Whiteley is the same thing, just when the second time is even rather than odd. So we get another self module. So that was Mega Man Boss Rush. It is basically just pathfinding through this table. And E-Tank you can just ignore. You can just assume that the one before all of the ones you started on was E-Tank, just so everything can be used. So, hopefully you now understand how Mega Man Boss Rush works now, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.